System.io is the smartest business move that you can make before 2026. Let's be real, most people who say they want to make money online don't actually want to build a business. They want freedom from the constant grind, freedom from posting every single day just to stay visible, freedom from trading hours for dollars. And if you're watching this right now, it's probably because you're tired of working harder and ready to start working smarter. Today, I'm going to show you why System.io is the smartest business move that you can make before 2026, and how using just 1 hour a day, you can start to build a real consistent passive income stream online. This isn't theory, this is what I'm doing, and if you follow along, you can too. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. You don't need a massive audience to earn $1,000 or more a month online. You just need a system that turns attention into income automatically. That's what System.io does. It's not just another marketing tool, it's your all-in-one business hub, your digital engine that runs 24/7, even while you're asleep, spending time with your family, or creating your next piece of content. And that's the mindset shift right here from in 2025. It's no longer doing more, it's about building smarter systems. I want to talk about this for a second. So many creators are stuck on the content treadmill. You're posting every day, chasing likes, and hoping that something goes viral. But the truth is, views don't pay bills. What pays is having a system that turns those views into relationships and those relationships into revenue. That's why System.io is a game changer, because it gives you everything: your funnels, your email list, your automation, your product pages, all in one place. No tech headaches, no monthly tool stack draining your profits. And the best part, it grows with you. So whether you are just starting your freedom journey or scaling your digital empire, System.io meets you right where you are. Now, why am I saying this before 2026? Because we're in a shift. AI, automation, attention is changing, and how business works is changing fast in 2026. The people who have systems running on autopilot will be the ones winning, while everyone else will still be posting and praying. System.io gives you leverage. You can build once, it works every day after that. So while others are chasing trends, you'll have a system that's collecting leads, nurturing them, and converting them without needing your consistent attention or presence. And that's how real passive income is built. Not overnight, but through automation, consistency, and a plan that compounds. So let's break down how this works inside the Freedom Framework. So if you commit just 1 hour a day, you can build your entire online income system piece by piece. And here's the breakdown. Day one, getting your funnel set up. That's your foundation. Day two, setting up your emails. This is your relationship builder. On day three, start driving traffic and delivering your message to the correct audience. Day 4 through 6, you're going to be automating everything. So your rules, your tags, your workflow. And then on day 7, you can turn it on and you have a system that's working for you. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Because once your system is live, every buyer and every new subscriber is a potential buyer being nurtured automatically. That's the moment you stop chasing money and start attracting it. Now let's talk about why System.io is the smartest move. Everything is built to make you money fast and simpler. You can build landing pages without code. You can set automated email sequences in minutes. And you can also manage affiliate programs right inside of your dashboard. It's ridiculously easy and affordable to use, with the monthly plan just starting at $17 or a year for $170. That's equivalent to going out to dinner. And System.io also offers 60% commissions when you share it. You can earn recurring income every month or year just from recommending the software to other people as well. You could set a goal of 10 signups on the annual plan each month, and you would already have $1,000 plus income stream that you're building each month. Now imagine what happens when you double or triple that. So System.io is a great system. Now let's talk about building income detached from your time. When I started, I wanted one thing: to stop trading hours for dollars, and System.io gave me that bridge. Every automation rule, every workflow, it's like building a little digital employee that never sleeps. You can write an email once and it sells forever. You build one funnel, it runs 24/7. You set one automation and it follows up automatically. That's income detached from time. That's leverage and that's freedom. Because real wealth isn't just about money, it's control over your time. Take a second and imagine this. It's 2026. You wake up, check your phone, and see new leads, new commissions, and new sales, all from systems that you built months ago. That's not luck, that's leverage. And you didn't have to post every day, you didn't have to burn out. You just had to set up a system once that keeps working for you. And that's what we're building here. Glow Squad, I also want to check in with you and how you're doing with the Freedom Framework email series. It's been so exciting to see everyone opening their emails, clicking the links, and being a part of this challenge. This is going to be a movement on how we can build real digital freedom in 2026 with 1 hour a day, 1 hour at a time. So I'm so proud of everyone who has jumped in and has set up their System.io funnel. You're taking the first step towards something that could truly change your life, a system that earns even while you're not working. I do have a quick question. Have you set up your funnel yet? If not, don't stress. You can go to day one's email and click the link, and it's already done for you. All you have to do is update with your affiliate link. System.io is going to be your foundation that captures leads, builds trust through emails, and turns clicks into commissions on autopilot. If you've already built your funnel, then I'd love to hear how it's going. Just reply back to one of my emails and let me know. So, what step are you on? What has been easy so far? Or even tell me what's been challenging. I read every reply, and this helps me to know what kind of extra tutorials or walkthroughs might help with future challenges. Now, if you're new and you're like, Jordan, what's this freedom framework thing that you keep talking about? Here's the quick breakdown. The 7-day freedom framework is an email series, and it walks you through setting up your System.io funnel and tagging, automating your emails so that they run 24/7, and building a simple content plan that drives traffic and turns that traffic into income streams detached from your time. It's all about getting out of the post every day, hope someone clicks cycle, and into building something that works even while you sleep. And the best part, if you stick with it and actually complete all 7 days, you'll have a fully functioning online system ready to generate your first $1,000 or more with System.io. Now, here's the exciting part. We're doing another round of the Freedom Framework Challenge at the beginning of December. And you're going to want to be a part of it, especially if you missed the first round. This December challenge will be the final round of the year, and it's also the last chance to receive all the exclusive bonuses, including my full 7-day Freedom Framework email series, the 5-day follow-up for re-intent campaign for your annual plan leads, my tagging and automation setup guide, and my shareable 2-step funnel so your system runs automatically 24/7. And here's the best part: for early birds and current community members, so people on my email list, it's completely no charge. For this is a thank you to everyone who has supported me, shared the content, and believed what we're building. So if you're not on my list already, make sure that you sign up before December to lock in your access, because once the challenge goes live, only subscribers get the emails, the materials, and the bonuses. This is your opportunity to get in position for 2026 before everyone else wakes up to what's possible. I'll leave you with this. Success doesn't come from doing everything at once, it comes from doing one focused thing consistently. You don't need to spend hours a day grinding online. You just need 1 hour, one small intentional action every day. By the end of this year, your small actions can build something that works even while you rest, travel, or live your life. That's what the Freedom Framework is all about, creating an income system that gives you your time back. So go and check your inbox, look for your day 2 email if you're in the challenge. And if you haven't joined yet, go ahead and click the link that will be in the description and get on the list before December 1st. And let's finish 2025 strong and walk into 2026 with systems, structures, and freedom. If you're ready to build your system and earn your first $1,000 online with System.io, click the link below to get access. Join the Freedom Framework today. Success isn't about working harder, it's about setting yourself up to win smarter. Let's make 2026 the year you build your freedom once and for all. You've got this, Glow Squad. Let's go. You have a great day. Be blessed, and I will see you in the next video.